In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with eBay. This process is simplified by using the DPL eBay Integration and Sync app, which provides a seamless connection between your Shopify store and your eBay listings. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your eBay sales directly from your Shopify store, making your life as an online retailer much easier. To start, you'll need to access the Shopify App Store. This can conveniently be done from your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, search for the DPL eBay Integration and Sync app. This specific app is designed to ensure that your Shopify and eBay accounts communicate effectively, keeping your inventory up to date across both platforms without a hitch. Once you arrive at the app page, you're going to look for the Add App button. This button signifies the first step in integrating your systems. Go ahead and click it. By doing this, you're expressing your intention to use the app, and it sets the ball rolling on the installation process. After you click on Add App, you'll be directed back to your Shopify admin where you'll need to finalize the installation. You'll notice a prompt requesting authorization to install the app. It might sound a bit technical, but all it means is that you're agreeing to let the app access the necessary data to perform its job. Click Install App to proceed. At this point, you're granting the permissions needed for the app to sync your product information, pricing, and orders between Shopify and eBay. It's crucial to understand that these permissions are essential for the app to function correctly, ensuring smooth operations and accurate data syncing between your store and your eBay account. It's important to note that while installing the app is a straightforward process, ensuring that you have administrative access to both Shopify and eBay is crucial for a successful integration. Additionally, taking a moment before installation to review the app's user guide or tutorials can provide clarity and answer preliminary questions you might have. Such a preparatory step often simplifies the initial setup and helps in troubleshooting any minor issues that might arise during the integration process. Once the installation is complete, your Shopify store will be connected to your eBay account through the DPL eBay Integration and Sync app. Now, you can manage your listings, synchronize your inventory, and handle orders, all from your Shopify dashboard. This integration is designed to save you time, reduce manual errors, and streamline your e-commerce operations, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on technical management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps in making your Shopify and eBay sales even more successful.